Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch A1 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Now swipe left on the screen to scroll through the list of widgets and find the exercise data widget or something like that. I think it's called exercise data. And once you find this widget, you will see that there is the calories burned right here. You can check it like that. You can also press the home button on your watch to open the menu, and then tap on exercise data to open the same widget or menu and see the calories burned right here. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to check this information. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here. Zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. Like this. And on the screen of our phone, or rather on our phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Mibro Fit application, and in the app you will see the activities right here, and we have the calories. You can tap on this widget, and here you can even check the weekly progress for the calories burned. You can also change the day and stuff like that if you want to. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you check the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.